The Oregon Health Authority says it's finished awarding the first round of funding under Measure 110, and it's already saving lives. That measure decriminalized small amounts of drugs and uses marijuana tax dollars to pay for drug treatment and support programs throughout Oregon. First round of grants given to nonprofits totaled just over $300 million.
The Oregon Health Authority reported that in only 6 months with early Measure 110 funding, providers were able to provide more than 16,000 people to receive care.
Measure 110 money covers services not already covered by insurance, such as mentoring, recovery, housing, and needle exchange programs. The Oregon Recovery Alliance says the HIV Alliance used the grant to save 500 lives already by being able to reverse drug overdoses.